Hello children, I think all of you are relaxing after your pre-midterm examination. How have you done your exams? Have you all done it well? Okay, but I am not that much satisfied after going through your papers. Many of you have written nicely, but there are few who have written the exam without any preparation. Always take your exam seriously. Many of you have taken so lightly and you have done the exam in a very vague manner. Always when you write the exam, please concentrate on few things which I am going to tell you now. First, when you start the exam, please draw a margin, write the date, write your name, class, division, everything on one side on top. Subject and the name of the examination in the center of the paper. Then leave one or two lines and then you have to write the question number and start writing the answer. All this you have been practicing from past few years. But still I could see many papers which was written in an improper way. So next time, please keep all this in mind. Second thing, many of you have reduced the size of your writing, alphabets. Your writing is so small that we are not even able to read what you have written. Please see that you write maybe 5 to 6 words in a line if the words are small. The words are big. And maybe maximum 7 to 8 words maximum if it is small. I could see many notebooks, also many papers where 11, 12 and 13 words are written. You can just imagine what will be the size of your writing if you are going to write 11, 12 and 13. I have counted up to 13 words in one single line. Please don't repeat it again. Okay, it is always good to practice now itself so that it's easy for you to score marks. Otherwise, if we teachers are not able to read what you have written, there are chances to lose marks. Third, you must always practice to answer to the question that is asked. Read the question minimum 2 times and then answer, because these are the things which you should rectify in the next exam, next test. Okay, that is why I am telling you now. Before the exam already instructions were given, but still those were not practiced. So next time, please keep all this in mind and do it in a proper way. Next very important thing which I would like to remind you is, when certain instructions are given, please try to read or spend your time to understand what is given or what is told and do accordingly. Though we had already instructed you or given guidelines as to how you have to attend the exam, many of you have done mistakes in that. Some of you rectified it half the way and then came back to the correct method. But still there are few who had not done the exam the proper way which we had instructed you. So these were some of the things which I thought of telling you after checking your papers. So next time, hope you will keep all this in mind and do it well. And from the paper answers which you have written, I also understood that many of you, in spite of asking me to read the textbook, many of you had not read the textbook. So this week, I thought of giving you some work related to the topics which I have already completed. I am not going to start a new chapter. Instead, I am going to give you some work related to the topics which we have already completed. You may please note down the work. I am sure that all of you will be sitting with your biology notebook and textbook in front of you. Take the last page of your biology note and note down the work for today's class. Shall I start? Okay, are you all ready with a notebook and pen? Okay, first note down the first work. You have to explain photosynthesis with the help of a neat label diagram. Okay, that is the first work. So you may please take down the question. With the help of a neat labeled diagram, explain the process of photosynthesis in plants. I repeat, with the help of a neat labeled diagram, explain the process of photosynthesis in green plants. That is the first work. For this question, you have to draw the diagram of photosynthesis. Neatly, labeling should be done. You can use color pencils for shading, but try to avoid sketch pens, okay? And explain photosynthesis in 4 different paragraphs. I had told you previously, but when I checked your notebook, except very few, maybe 4 or 5, all the others had not written that answer. That is why I thought of giving you this assignment. So you have to take the paper, plain sheet, draw the diagram and explain in 4 different paragraphs, which I had told you previously when I took that topic. Second work. Draw a neat labeled diagram of human digestive system. I repeat. Second assignment. Draw a neat labeled diagram of human digestive system. Here you take a plain paper, write the heading, draw the diagram and label it on either side of the diagram or one side. I should see the labeling done very neatly. Don't draw the lines in any direction you need. You must use a scale for drawing the line for labeling. Hope the 2 assignments are clear to you. After that, you have to read the lesson minimum 2 times. The whole chapter. There are 2 more topics to be completed. I think 2 or 3 topics to be completed. Still, you have to read the whole chapter minimum 2 times. And whichever topics you are not thorough, please learn that also. I will be conducting oral test when I call you. Your science class is on 10th Monday. After completing these 2 assignments, you have to send it to me. That is to my WhatsApp number by Tuesday night. That is 11th Tuesday. Hope it is clear. This work will reach you by Monday afternoon. You have to complete this work and you have to send that to my WhatsApp number by Tuesday night. That is 11th Tuesday. Hope all of you will take this work seriously and do it. Please write your name on the paper. Name, class and division. Date in the margin. Thank you.